Okay, this problem says find the standard deviation S of the sample data summarized in the frequency distribution table below by using the formula, which you don't have to use. I'm going to do it with StatCrunch, where X represents the class midpoints, F represents the class frequency, and N represents the total number of sample values. Also, compare the computed standard deviation to the standard deviation obtained from the original list of data values. Let's open this up in StatCrunch first. First thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to compute the midpoints, and you can probably just do this without any major help from a calculator, or a small calculator type thing would be fine. The midpoint between 30 and 36, you simply say 30 plus 36 is 66, and half of that is 33. So that's that midpoint. There looks like the class width here is 7. So you add 7 each time. So the next one would be 40, the next one 47, the next one 54, the next one 61, the next one 68. 7 more would put you at 75. Okay, now this is the midpoint, and really it would be nice if it could be in this column, but it's not. Keep in mind, you're going to do, it's just kind of like a weighted mean is what it is. So go to Stat. You want summary stats, and where this differs from just one column, you go to grouped bin data. The bins are going to be your midpoints. The counts are going to be your frequency, and it simply says you want the standard deviation. So go choose what you want and compute. Okay, that's the standard deviation right there, and it wants it rounded to 1 decimal place, and that rounded to 1 decimal place actually becomes 10.0. Okay, we've done the part that we needed to do with StatCrunch. We found the midpoints, and then we went to stats, summary stats, but we had to do bin group data. Now, it says wants you to find, says consider a difference of 20% between the two values of the standard deviation to be significant. How does the computed value that you just found compare with the standard deviation 11.1? So with a calculator of some description, I'm mainly just doing this so you can see the input after I put it in. You would take the 11.1, which is the original, and find the difference with the one you just found, which was 10.0. All right, now that's the difference. You take that difference and divide it by the original standard deviation, which was 11.1. So find the difference, the positive difference, and then divide by the original standard deviation. And then it says consider a difference of 20% to be significant. Well, if I change this answer to a percent, I get 9.9%, which is less than 20%. The computed value is not significantly different. If this had come up to be 21 or 30 something right here, when we changed it to a percent, then it would be significantly different. It's not significantly different. Okay, I hope that helps.